What's up, guys? This is part 4 of Twister County, and we have currently a storm right now, and there's a severe thunderstorm watch. You guys got issue for the storm, so Mike, let's head to the storm right now.
Yes, I'm in the
Don't forget to subscribe and like, and subscribe to Mike Evans. Don't forget to subscribe to Mike the Storm Chaser, actually, because he switched his YouTube channel. And I gotta turn down this volume because it's so loud. A little bit of frequent lightning. Not too concerning yet. Rotation. Oh my god. Bruh. Yeah, we have a purple already, so have to crack that NATO juice. Crack open that NATO juice soon. Getting the NATO juice ready. Let me. Rotations over there. We get a funnel. Crack open in that NATO juice. Hey Mike, come get me. I'm heading towards the tornado. Let's go. Yeah. Tornado destruction video.
I think I slid my feet first time. The leak on
80 miles per hour. Almost in
This
the
is
F1.
this is a boring tornado.
It's going for the city, though. It might be. Oh, shoot, it is, I think. Yeah, it is, Mike. Mike, it's going for the city. Go, 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 go.
He's gonna shoot us. I'm telling you.
Oh, it's growing, though. It's in the F1.
I guarantee. Bro, I keep flying my dumb finger. I'm actually gonna freak out on camera. Alright, now shoot us. See ya. Hey, shoot us. Bro, oh my god, I'm gonna have to change.
Getting close to an EF2.
This joystick is better.
Yeah, the tornado decide to go to the city.
I'm just gonna drive for the taxi, right? Is that better?
Yeah.
Alright. So I can't use the battery because then if I it's gonna.
It's at 99 miles per hour.
Actually. Mikey, can I do this so much better? Can it go backwards? Oh my gosh! I'm not doing this! I don't fix it.
Deploy.
Insert.
103 miles per hour.
Okay, this one could be a good one, please. Just give me a goddamn EF4 or EF5 or EF3.
109.
Sting, I don't want you to go that way.
Another storm forming.
It keeps making like. I don't know.
See the other storm over there, Mike?
Yes.
117 miles per hour. It's an EF2.
It keeps making the damn thing swerve. It keeps swerving. There you go. Yeah, it storms at me. Fuck this. I'm using dynamic. I'm getting so bored. If this does not become an EF4, I'm going to literally scream.
Well, at least we'll get. Oh, 123.
Yes, come on. Come on.
At least we'll get in.
Yes.
At least we will get a EF4.
Can't you?
Not EF. Well, at least we will get an EF4 because I'm drinking the NATO juice.
It doesn't work for me, but it works for you. What the hell? Yo, my stomach keeps growling. I have to stop drinking this.
128. Well, Mike, an EF3 is still a good tornado.
No! Don't you dare! No!
131.
Yes, I'm right in the past. Oh my god, look at that tree. Lucky, these trees are getting mangled right now. Oh my gosh. It's eating them.
It's almost an EF3.
Come on. I'm in the eye.
138. An EF3.
Yes, now we need it to please just become an EF.
Well, I gotta drink the NATO juice.
Let's just keep drinking an EF.
144.
I think this is the first time I've ever seen these wind speeds this high here.
Who is that?
That was my mom. And she
152.
Come on. You got this. You got this. You got this.
And there's another storm.
I just flipped. I like, it dragged me in, and then when I hit a tree, and then it flipped me. And then I landed back on the feet. Let's go. 152. No, I don't know how this gonna make it. I have a bad feeling. Yeah, it's not gonna make it. No, don't get. Oh!
Yep, it's gonna
Did
stay
you
at
see that?
152.
It just hit my car. I flipped it over.
Delete the
Yo, it's so
car.
lagged again.
Delete the car. I'm stuck. Mike, I'm stuck underneath the car.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep moving and I'm gonna turn to see if you. There. Oh, I think it's coming after you. Better hurry up and get in. Oh, no, it's not.
Wait. Front. There we go.
Damn, it didn't make it. Fuck.
Oh, the town. It's going for the town.
It's passing it.
Mike, I'll be back.
Alright.
Just say some stuff about the storm and stuff. And, yeah. When I'm gone.
Yeah, it's going away. Oh, come on. So close to an airport. I'm gonna put him in a tornado, guys. Guys, I'm gonna put him in the tornado. Like it just struck right in a tornado. Guys, I'm gonna put him inside of the tornado and then I'm gonna despawn the car. If the force field goes away, I wonder if it's gonna turn him back around. I can't get inside of it because it's too strong.
Okay, I'm back, guys, and
Damn
it's
it.
really weakening. It's 115 miles per hour.
Oh, the way almost struck us. That was so close. Bro, I keep trying to see where they're gonna go. Behind it, see if it
A
turns.
lot of tree damage. That's usual for this tornado.
Yeah, now it can't push me. Take this tornado, take us. Oh, I forgot we have a good force field, so now we won't die. We're inside the tornado without a dominator. I'm just gonna leave the game now.
Alright. And Mike, I gotta finish this video when the tornado dies. Alright?
Oh.
So Mike, we'll play Tornado Destruction after this. 74 miles per hour. Oh, now it's a funnel. Alright. Well, guys, this is the end of part 4 on Twister County, so don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to Mark Payton Vlogs, and subscribe to Mike the Storm Chaser on YouTube, and bye-bye. Bye-bye.